Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Salesforce developer account. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these some steps. First, you will need to access to your web browser. It can be Google Chrome or Firefox or any web browser that you use. And after that, you will need to go to developer.salesforce. So you can just search for developer Salesforce and from there, you will be able to find this one, and then you will need to access this website. So here is the Salesforce developer portal for Salesforce. And basically, after that, you will need just to create an account and you will be able to access your developer Salesforce. So let's just wait for this page to load. And from here, you will find the home, blog documentation, APIs, everything. But you will need just to go and create an account by either signing up or let's just click on browse trials, or you can also just try to register now. So I'm just going to click on browse trials, and from there it will give us how to create our account. So here you will need just to click on sign up for the Salesforce Developer Edition. By clicking here, it will redirect you to the creating forum or the sign up form. And from here, you will need just to add your information. You click on sign me up, and now you will be able to create an account. So basically, when you click on sign me up and you have all your information added here, you will receive an email for a verification and you will be able to reset your password so you can start using your developer uh, environment. And basically, it will be a lightning experience environment. And from there, you will be able to start creating your Apex class and other triggers and the developer stuff. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.